Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Facebook setting, and today video title is guys how to change Facebook cover photo. Friends, you want to change your Facebook cover photo. So friends, now let's see how to change photo on Facebook account. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, now let's see how to change cover photo. First of all, tap on your Facebook. After turning with Facebook application friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook. So friends, you want to change your Facebook cover photo. So friends, now let's see how to change Facebook cover photo. First of all, tap on your profile. You want to change your profile photo, so tap here. You can select a new profile photo. You can change your Facebook profile photo. Select any photo and you can edit your photo. After edit, save option, your profile photo will change. And you want to change your cover photo, so friends, tap on your cover photo. Upload photo option, tap here. You can select a new cover photo and you can change your Facebook cover photo. For an example friends, I will select this photo and you can adjust your photo. After adjust photo friends, save option, tap here. At first you can check this notification, Facebook upload, and guys you can see Facebook upload failed. So friends, you will have to select new photo. So friends, now we will select a new photo. For an example friends, I will select my photo, save option, tap here, and friends, now we will check uploading your cover photo. So friends, you can see your cover photo will change after 4 and 5 seconds. Your cover photo will change. Wait here. So friends, I have net issue, and friends, you can see upload complete profile. Also friends, your cover photo will change. So like the friends, you can change your cover photo. I hope friends you understood how to change cover photo on Facebook account. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. To even doubt have any problem on your Facebook setting, so friends, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.